right, this is a residential gas furnace. It's an 80% efficiency furnace. Typically, you won't see these installed in homes anymore. Right now, you're getting a 95 to 98% efficiency furnace being installed. We'll go over those in another video, but this is showing a traditional style where you have your gas line that feeds in. We have our gas valve, a pressure switch, our burners, an inducer draft motor. We have our vent. Down here we have our blower, our circuit board, and if you can see in there, that is our transformer. On the side here we have set up with our thermostat. It's a digital thermostat, typically what you'll see in homes nowadays. No more mercury switches or anything like that. The basic order of operations with this, you would get a call for heat, and your inducer motor is going to go on right away. The main reason that goes on is before a flame happens, you want to make sure that you're getting rid of any harmful gases. This is the reason why you have people end up getting exposed to carbon monoxide if these gases aren't exhausted from the home. Typically, when furnaces are installed now, there will be 2 carbon monoxide detectors that have to be put in the house. One is usually 10 feet from wherever the unit is installed, and the second one has to be installed in the main sleeping area of the home. And that way, if the first one fails or you don't hear it, the second one should go off, because this is considered the silent killer. So this goes on. We want to make sure before that we have any flame or anything that we're already ready to exhaust. We're going to get our flame igniter glowing. Our gas will flow through. We'll light up our burners. Our blower motor will go on, and this will push the heat through the house. Typically, when this happens, it happens very quickly, within a matter of minutes. If there is a situation and it causes this to fail, because you have some safeties that we will talk about in other videos, what will happen is this entire unit will shut off. It will wait a few minutes and then it'll try to restart itself. It'll do this up to 3 times, and then it will time itself out, which means it's not going to start until you kill the main power and restart it. But with order of operations, you're able to trace where something goes wrong. Down here on our circuit board, we have LEDs, and typically on the back of the panels that we took off, with an LED flashing, it will tell you with different flashes what might be happening. It's kind of a cheat sheet that we have. And usually on the backs of these, it will indicate, in this area, how many different flashes we get and what that will mean, if we're normal or not. We will go over the different types of flashing and set some examples of it in other videos, but I wanted to showcase the basics of a residential gas furnace today, with your gas line coming in, your gas valve, your inducer draft motor, your burners, your circuit board, your transformer, and then we will get into pressure switches, capacitors, and other things on another video.